Hello guys, welcome back to Enough Things. But for today's video, here we're going to show you how to turn on SSL certificate on WIX website. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering here, how to exactly turn on your SSL certificate here? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access your WIX website. So go to wix.com, log in, and you want to access your actual website that you have. So obviously you could create multiple websites here on Wix, but yeah, so go access the website that you want to manage. Now in here, what we need to do is we want to go to the left side and you want to go to settings. Now the thing with SSL certificates here, they are actually tied into your domain. So if you already connected a domain here on your Wix website, you should be able to start managing it. But yeah, what you need to do is you want to scroll down a bit and you want to look for the option for your domains. Go ahead and click on it. And in here, again, like what I said before, if you've connected a domain into your Wix website, usually at the bottom section here, you should be able to basically turn on or turn off your SSL certificate here on Wix. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.